Hi, I'm Tara Esquivel. I'm the Executive Director of Invertigo Dance Theater, and I'm on the advisory board for Emerging Arts Leaders Los Angeles. I joined Emerging Arts Leaders in 2008, immediately after I moved to LA in hopes of making some friends and meeting new professional contacts. When I look back over the past 6 years and my participation in Emerging Arts Leaders, I'm kind of amazed at the huge variety of opportunities that were available to me. From skill building, like event planning and program evaluation, to career guidance that I received through the APAL mentorship program, and being able to hone my own personal leadership skills through my service on the Leadership Council, I'm really grateful for the significant impact all these experiences have had on my personal life and my career. Emerging Arts Leaders is currently holding its year-end fundraising campaign. Whether you're an alumni and you can remember all the people you've met and the experiences you've had through Emerging Arts Leaders, or whether you're a current member enjoying the year-round programming, I hope you'll consider supporting this campaign. Whether it's $5 or $150, I know that your donation will be used wisely to foster the next generation of creative leadership in Los Angeles. I encourage you to give generously, and I thank you for your time.